Hi Skype friends, welcome back. Virginia here with a new project for Bramble Fox. Today I'm going to use these beautiful light bulb acrylic pieces which are included in the February Fox box. And I'm going to create a spread in my traveler's notebook to document these two photos. I know that I want to incorporate this lovely pattern paper with all these colorful cameras, and the bulbs will work as a title, which of course is going to be Happy Days. So first of all, I'm going to glue down this piece of cardstock on the left page of my spread using double-faced tape. I'm now going to cut the excess, and I also added a strip of the same pattern paper on the opposite edge of the other page. This creates a continuity, a cohesion between the two pages that I really like. And of course those cameras are adorable, so I really wanted that pattern to be quite present in my page. Now I'm going to back my photos with some white cardstock because I want a white border around them so that they can stand out better against the pattern paper. So here are my photos with a white frame, and now I'm going to place my light bulbs on the left page, and I'm also going to add extra acrylic pieces from Bramble Fox, of course. I pulled out these two bags of stars. They come in different colors, shapes and sizes. And I'm going to choose a few that match the light bulbs themselves and the colors in the pattern paper. So I will have mint, white, yellow and dark pink stars. Once I know how I want the page to look, I can go on and glue down all the pieces. Here I have already stuck the photos, and now I'm gluing 3 die cuts that go well with the pattern and the theme of my spread. They just say it's a happy life, tailish and daily moments recorded. Now I can move on and glue down the acrylic pieces using multi-use liquid glue. But first, of course, I have to remove the backing and the protective film which sits on top. The big pieces, as in this case the bulbs, do not come with the protective film, but just with the backing, while all the little ones do. So now I'm first of all gluing down my two bulbs, and then I will go on and take the backing and the protective films of all the stars and glue them down. When I remove the protective film from the stars, you will see how bold and shiny they actually are. In particular, the pink one will look quite different. They are completely muted when they have the protective film. So I'm taking my time to glue down all the stars. And that's how my composition looks like. Now I want to add a string to the light bulbs so that they look like they hanging from the ceiling. So I'm going to make 2 holes for each bulb, one directly over it and the other one next to the top edge of the page. And then with the mint embroidery floss I'm going to stitch. Actually, it's not even stitching, it's just making a couple of loops of floss between the 2 holes and then securing it with a knot on the back of the page. So it's very easy. That's the first one, and then I'll go on and make the second one. this finishes up my spread. As you can see, it's very simple and actually took a really little time to make. The main and almost only embellishments here are the Bramble Fox perspectives. So I really hope you like this project. If yes, please give this video a thumb up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye bye!